Hello children, welcome to online classes. I am Santosh Kumari and I am going to teach you chapter 1 part 3. In this part you will learn about computer languages. As you know that language is a medium to communicate with each other. With the help of language, we can express our views and ideas. Similarly, to communicate with a computer, we need a language that a computer understands. Communicate means to instruct a computer. For every action, we have to give an instruction to the computer. Without instructions, computers cannot work. So, we have to give a set of instructions to the computer. This set of instructions is called a program, and it tells the computer what to do and how to do any work. So, set of instructions is called a program. The process of writing specific instructions in a computer language is called programming. Each programming language has its own specific rules. The development of computer languages has been classified into 4 categories: machine language, assembly language, high-level language, and 4th generation language. First, we will learn about machine language. It is considered as the first generation language. It is the only language that a computer understands directly. It uses binary digits, that is 0 and 1, where 0 means off state and 1 means on state. Machine language has the advantage of very high speed and very low memory utilization. But understanding and learning machine language is tough. It is very difficult to write a program and even more difficult to find a mistake and make it correct. It is extremely machine dependent, which means a machine language program written on one computer may not work on another computer. That is why machine language is also called as low-level language. The next category is assembly language, which is considered as the second generation of computer languages. In this language, mnemonics or symbols are used in place of 0 and 1. For example, if the code for add is 001 in binary language, then it can be written as add in assembly language. As assembly language uses symbolic codes, it is easy to work in assembly language than in binary language. Assembly language is also machine dependent, and it is also regarded as low-level language. Now the next category is high-level language. As the machine and assembly languages were difficult to understand and use, people wanted to develop a new language which should be simple and easy to use, and it should be machine independent also, which means a program written for one computer should work on other computer also. These languages are known as high-level languages. These languages are similar to the English. COBOL, Fortran, Basic, C, C++, Java, etc. are some very popular examples of high-level languages. The next category is fourth generation language or 4GL. Fourth generation languages are close to human language. These languages have the certain features such as they are highly user friendly and independent of any operating system, which means they are easy to understand, and program written in fourth generation language can work on any machine. Very high speed of execution. It is designed to reduce the overall time it takes to develop software and the cost of the software also. In 4GL, the user has to specify only the required output what they want, while the computer determines itself the sequence of instructions that will accomplish those results. Structured Query Language or SQL is the most popular example of 4GL. That's all. Thank you.